Hi everyone, I'm Laura from Killer Beauty and today I'll be reviewing the Killer Beauty PMU Cartridges. These PMU cartridges are of the highest quality and can be used for a range of cosmetic and medical tattoo treatments. So let's take a closer look. Every Killer Beauty PMU cartridge goes through rigorous control checks to ensure that it meets the highest standards. Each cartridge comes in their own sterile blister packaging to ensure optimal hygiene. The cartridges have a push and twist style connection, meaning they're compatible with most PMU machines, such as Microblading, like the Zion S we have here. These cartridges can be used for a variety of PMU treatments, including hair stroke, powder and combination brows, as well as lips, eyeliner and areola. The Killer Beauty PMU cartridges contain precision-soldered razor-sharp needles, and the needles within the cartridges are much thinner than others on the market, making them perfect for extra precision during treatments. The thinner needles also allow artists to deliver treatments with minimal trauma to the skin. All Killer Beauty cartridges are fitted with a secure membrane, which ensures that no pigment or blood can leak through into the grip or into the machine. The elongated tip of the cartridge is transparent, giving complete visibility of the needle during treatment and a perfect view of the pigment flow. It also makes very slight needle adjustments much easier. The cartridges come in boxes of 20, but there is also a sample box available which contains 20 cartridges in various configurations. Sample boxes are a really great way to find out which configurations suit you and your work best. All cartridges are colour-coded to allow you to easily pick out the correct cartridge for each treatment. Killer Beauty offer multiple configurations which include flat, curved magnum, round shader and round liner. Needle diameters range from 0.2 to 0.33, depending on which configuration you're using. We always receive really great feedback about these cartridges from leading PMU artists. So if you want to try the Killer Beauty PMU cartridges today, there is a link in the description box below, or if you have tried them already, please leave a comment below and let us know what you think. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on notifications to be the first to see our new videos.